tayo mga kaibigan. Let me start with Robert. And of course, we would like to thank the donor for the darling of the crowd, donor of cash prize, Mrs. Felicitas Tabladillo. Ayan, ma'am, ito na po tayo, mamaya. And we have Karen. Next, we have Ronio. We also have Chase. And then we also have Cecil. And the darling of the crowd, ladies and gentlemen, is the idol from Barangay. Tracy Labons yung barangay niya. From Barangay Karimkim, Cecil Reyes Romualdo. Our daughter will then call on Ma'am Felicitas Tabladillo to award the prize. Yeah, konting music. There we have it. Congratulations.
When it comes to rating and observation and assessment to all the contenders, I would like
kaya mananalo and partner o natin.
And I request all the donors to get ready and award the prizes.
Yes,
And for our fourth runner-up or the fifth place, ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure to announce it went to contestant number 1.
And for this one is Robert Tano.
O barangay ito.
To award the trophy, we ask Engineer Abel Garcia.
For our third runner-up or fourth place, it went to contestant number 2. And for our second runner-up or third place, ladies and gentlemen, for our second runner-up or third place, went to contestant number 4. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The mic covered my paper. I'm so sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up or third place, number 3.
Ronio Malantro.
Cash prize winner, Miss Susie Malma. And award winner, ABC President Alberto Ramirez.
Barangay Karimkim.
Hamo, Barangay Baliwe.
Sino kaya? Sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, the champion or the grand winner, I will announce the grand winner. The grand winner for Sabiweng 5th season of 2011, our grand champion. The first place, the grand champion. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4.
Cash prize runner-up, we request Honorable Vice Mayor Carlito Rodriguez II. And for our grand winner, we request Honorable Mayor Carlito Rodriguez represent Alex Maruca. Also, Vicky is requested to award the trophy and the cash prize for the first runner-up. Sir, Vicky, please.
And for the first runner-up, Sir Nicky with a award.
So,
Let's have picture taking. Okay. Maybe we'd like to call the judges also. Can we call on the judges to please have a picture with us? Ito tayo.
so it's from Barangay Baliwe, Barangay Nagdalo yun. That's Uweng Ibada, 2011.
Judges, let's have a picture with the top 5.